How to find StarPets promo codes for 2025. First, open your Chrome browser and search for StarPets promo codes 2025. You'll see lots of results, but we're looking for a specific site, for example, playaholic.com. Look for a link that mentions StarPets promo codes and a discount and click that link. You'll now be on the Playholic website. They list several codes showing which ones are currently working. Unfortunately, there are currently no new StarPit codes on their website. They also showed on this website the codes that are already expired. Here's how to redeem StarPit codes. First, you have to download Roblox on your preferred mobile device. Launch Roblox, create StarPit account, and tap on your profile. Tap on promo codes, copy the code, paste the StarPit codes in the allocated space. Press activate to choose your reward, and press confirm. Spin the wheel of fortune by tapping roll to get a special pet. And there you have it, you'll receive your pet in game, so enjoy your reward. You could also find StarPet promo codes on the other website if you can find it here as of the moment.